So, let's start our short presentation for your company. You could have 15 minutes to show us and tell us what's your product advantage and about your company. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Our company. Okay. Wait a minute. Our company major in the bathroom line. We have 8-year OEM experience. In Chinese mainland, we focus on the Zhongshan brand. We sell in Jingdong, Taobao, Tmall, and other platforms. To foreign market, we cover USA, Germany, Russia, also Poland. Especially, we sell in the Turkey. Yes. Okay, I can show you our company pictures. This is. We have many. Yeah. The whole building six floors. We have many. Yeah, we have many more things. As you can see here. SMT and the integrating and the laser. Also acrylic coating. We also have many certificates. CE, LOS, IP44. We also made the TUV and UL for the USB market.
So you also do UL market.
Yeah. Okay. I also want to show you our product.
Take your time. Don't worry.
Okay, is it clear?
Oh, I saw. This is the we could call it mirror line. Is lighting next to the mirror.
Yes, behind the mirror. We have the general color is black. You can see the black.
Very classical color, and white.
White. Also chrome.
Oh, chrome. Chrome color is a very popular color.
Popular in Europe.
Yeah.
So the new left. Yeah, you can see.
Oh, this is the physical product.
I want to introduce our product.
So this is chrome color.
Yeah, our voltage rate is 400 to 240, and the length usually 40, 60, and 70.
40, 60 voltage.
Yeah. Voltage, we have 9 voltage, 12 voltage, also 16 voltage.
Oh, so 9 watt, 12 watt,
16 watt,
15 watt. And you have wide range of voltage. It's from 120 to 200 voltage.
Yeah, 100 to 240.
240. So that covers from the Asia, European, and also Northern American market?
Yes, yes. Our showroom is not ready. If it's ready, I can show you our showroom.
All right. So, could you introduce some of your product to us, like about the details, so we can see closely to your product? The one that you just showed us, we want to see more detail about it.
We moved the factory today, so I don't have the sample.
It's just the one that in your hand. You can show us that one. Yeah. Please.
As you can see, we have 3 heads. 1, 2, 3. Also, we one head and 2 heads. Only 1 head and only 2 heads. But this 3 head is popular.
I see. So this is the diffuser made by acrylic?
Yeah. Stainless base and acrylic space. This is stainless steel. And this is
stainless steel.
Yeah, this is acrylic.
So stainless steel with the frosted acrylic to create a even light.
We use the SMD inside LED chip.
SMD LED chip.
Yeah. We have the waterproof driver. You can see here, waterproof driver.
So this is able to use for the bathroom.
Yeah.
I think this should be for dentalistic area. Because the lighting that we will in rating for 3 different rating. One is for the dry location, and then damp location, and then wet location. So I think your product will belong to the damp location, some area like the bathroom that have a lot of moisture.
Yes. I also can show you another design.
This is a classical design as well.
Yeah, it's our wholesale item.
So that is for adjustable?
Yes, adjustable. This length can be longer.
Oh. That's great.
Yes.
Would you mind introduce what's the adjustable lens available for this fisher? Like from how many cm to how many cm?
Generally, the customer just like this, 50.
50. So how about the projection? Like with before adjustment, maybe how many cm from the wall, and after adjustment, how many cm to the wall?
The first is maybe it is 50 cm to the rod.
50.
Yeah. After your adjustment, it will be 27 cm, 27 to the rod.
So from 15 cm to 27 cm, adjustable for the projection.
You also can use to the picture light, also picture light.
Oh, for picture light.
Yeah. But above the picture, it will be nice.
It will be just like a wash light that's washed on the photo smoothly.
We also have the 3000K.
3000K.
And also have the 4,000K.
of 4,000K available and 3,000K available. That's the cool line, and that's what's the line that we need, that we want to show color, and when we doing the makeup, and we need to show what the real color is. So do you have the MOQ?
If you need the color box, our MOQ is 1,000. Color box.
Oh, 1,000.
If you need the buy box, our MOQ is 200.
200. Would you mind to repeat to me again what kind of situation that will be 200 and what kind of situation to be 1,000?
If you need white box and sticker, white box, I can show you. I can show you the white box.
Oh, I get it. It's about the package. So if it's like a neutral package, just white or maybe brown package, will be 200 available. But if we want to custom make some package box, then some cardboard, it will be 1,000. I get you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
So that's mainly most of your product. I would really like you to show us more, but you said you just moved a showroom, and maybe you can quickly show us some of your catalog image closely to the camera. Can we? So that we can know more about you?
Yeah, sure.
Switch the camera.
Yeah, thank you, please. That will be great.
Can you see?
Yeah. Very clear. They were very classical design.
Yes, it's very simple for the European market.
Oh, there's a S-shaped one.
We also have the USA standard big base.
And you have like a tube stand shade, and the one looks like with the glass and opal shade. Is that crystal shade or is it glass?
Glass.
Oh.
Acrylic.
Acrylic.
We also have light.
And we also do Wascon. The Wascon is for indoor.
Yes. Our new item this year.
The Wascon looks like a halo ring on it. This is the decoration Wascon. So Pansy, could you also tell us your phone number? I think a lot of customers, they want to get your catalog. I think you must have also have the e-catalog available to share to the client.
Yeah, we can we can send the e-catalog. Can I send the WeChat number?
Yeah, for sure.
Can you add this? Will be convenient.
I think some of the clients that could just.
Okay, maybe our phone number. Maybe for our phone number.
It will be great for both.
It's okay for these?
For sure. Would you mind tell us your WeChat name or WeChat account number as well?
which account will be better?
Yeah, so that I could tell the client your WeChat account here, rather than just SR code. And right now is Zhongshan Bolang Lighting, and Bolang Lighting is specialized for the bathroom headlight and what's gone.
Okay, and now I'll tell you our WeChat number.
Okay.
3P letter. Can you see? I can show you.
Oh, so 3P and then
3A.
3A
letter. Yeah. Oh no. Sorry. 48.
Oh, 48. So
yeah.
Pansy's WeChat number is very interesting. We will have 3P as beginning, and then 4A, and then 3N again.
Yes. It's very simple.
Okay, so you're welcome to contact Pansy if you are interested in the fans testing headlights and what's going on. And Pansy could send you the e-catalog. I thought it's very the catalog have a wide range of the product. Thank you so much for Pansy.
Thank you.
I look forward to see you next time.
See you.
See you. Thank you so much for today. Bye.
Bye-bye.